Hello students of class 11. These problem sums on set theory related to HCF and LCM. Using set operations, find the HCF of the numbers 12, 15 and 18. That means we have to find HCF of 12, 15 and 18. Let A, B, C are the respective sets of factors of 12, 15 and 18. Okay, that means A equal to factors of 12, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. B, factors of 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. And C, factors of 12, 18, that is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. By definition of intersection of the sets, by definition of the intersection of the sets is intersection of the sets, that means A intersection B intersection C equal to common element of A, B and C are 1 and 3 here. Clearly, HCF of given three numbers is the element of the set A intersection B intersection C having greatest value, that is equal to 3. Sorry, that is equal to 3. This is not set, this is a number. HCF of given three numbers is the elements of the set A intersection B intersection C having greatest value, that means 3. This is the HCF. Now I am going to next sum. This sum is related to LCM. We have to find the LCM of 15, 25 and 30 applying set operation. So by the similar process, this is short answer type question. The previous sum is the short answer type questions, question number 18, and this sum is question number 91. We have to find the LCM of 15, 25 and 30. Here, for HCF, I will take the factors of the numbers, and for LCM, I will take the multiples of numbers. Here, let A, B, C are be the respective respective set of multiples of the elements 15, 25 and 30. So A equal to multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 90, 105, 120, 135 and 135, 150 and so on. After that 300 and so on. But B equal to factors of multiples of 25, that is 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 175, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300 and so on. C equal to multiples of 30, that is 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300 and so on. This is the table of 30, this is the table of 25 and this is the table of 15. So, from here, by the definition, I will get the intersection of the sets, that means A intersection B intersection C equal to 150, 300 and so on, that is the multiple of 150. Clearly, LCM of the given numbers LCM of the given three numbers, the elements of the given numbers, the element of the set A intersection B intersection C having least value, that is equal to 150. So LCM is 150. Now I am ending here.